How to fix Instagram community guidelines easily and fast. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the Instagram community guidelines. If you have a problem with the guidelines, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open your Instagram and go to your profile. Click on edit profile right here, and then you need to change your bio and also your username. If you can't change your username, then you have to change your name. Click yes and go back. Now open the three lines right here, open the settings, go to the help, click on report a problem, click on report problem without checking. On this page it will take you directly here. Now you have to explain into the Instagram support team the problem that you have, and then send a screenshot of the problem from here by clicking on gallery. Click next, and that's it. Now you have to wait a few seconds and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end.